I was married in the Catholic Church 2006 and I got divorced here in the US 2017 with 2 children. Then I remarried by a minister in 2019 and my marriage didn't work and got divorced again last 2022. Currently, my status is single, but recently, me and my first husband reconciled and realized our mistakes and wanted to get back together and start again. Do I have to get remarried in the church or only renewal of vows since we were married before? Please guide. Ito, maganda tong note niya dito, Father. I have abstained from any intimate or sexual activity with him because I am afraid I am committing fornication, although some people say I am still married to him, my first husband, since it wasn't annulled. I am trying to get my life back together righteously, and I need some guidance on what we have to do moving forward.
Kung kayo po ay kasal sa simbahan at nagkahiwalay kayo, hindi kayo nagsama for many years, kasal pa rin kayo. Kasi kung hindi kayo annulled, dahil ang ibig sabihin po ng annulment ay walang kasal na nangyari in the first place, so kasal pa rin kayo. Ang kailangan gawin nyo ay kayo po ay magkumpisal dahil kayo nagkasala. Nagkasala dahil naging intimate kayo sa ibang lalaki, nagkahiwalay kayo ng original na asawa nyo, nagkasala kayo. No, dahil dapat intimate lang kayo sa isa, yung pinakasalan nyo. So, do you need to get remarried? Not necessarily. You can celebrate your anniversary, but there is no such thing as getting married again. Dahil ang kasal po ay minsan lang, kamukha po sa binyag. You come back together again, no, please, no, talk, go to counseling, pero mas advice ko po ay go to the sacrament of reconciliation. Yun lang po.
Feel at home tayo dito. Enjoy life at Bright FM 91.9. Friends tayo.